Hi and welcome back. We're going to our next amazing arm balance. This one is called as the crow. It's called as the Bakasana. The difference between the two is that this is slightly more advanced, and you will have to place your knee up into your armpit and all the way up on your bicep when you do the positioning. Whereas in the frog arm balance, what you actually do is the inside of your thigh brushes against the outside of your bicep. The arm position completely changes between the two arm balances. So now into Bakasana, the crow. I want you to start in Malasana again, your deep squat, but this time make sure your feet are actually closer, nice and close. Okay, and then I want you to place your bicep, your knee all the way up into your armpit if you can, really tuck that in, and I want you to round your back, tuck your lower back in and press. Make your palms nice and wide. Now I want you to get your hips up, start leaning forward, get your seat bones high into the sky, keep leaning forward with the chest. One leg comes up and then the other leg comes up. And release. Back to center, palms together. And that's how we fly in Bakasana, the crow. Thank you.